Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what is a sugar ant? A sugar ant is an ant with a sweet personality. Sugar ant is actually a generic term for any ant that prefers sweet foods. Anyone familiar with ants knows they're not picky eaters. There are some species of ants that prefer protein-based foods and sweet foods. So while a sugar ant won't turn down a fatty piece of lunch meat, they're more likely to be attracted to things like spilled sugary drinks, sugar granules, or cookie crumbs. The most common sugar ants that you might deal with are carpenter ants, acrobat ants, Argentine ants, pharaoh ants, little black ants, pavement ants, and odorous house ants. So if you think you have sugar ants right in the pantry, the best way to get rid of them is to sanitize the home, seal food in containers, seal off entry points, and use a pro-grade sweet ant bait like Antrax to get rid of the colony fast. That way, you can keep the cookies for yourself. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. The most common sugar ants that you might deal with are carpenter ants, acrobat ants, Argentine ants, pharaoh ants, little black ants, pavement ants, and odorous house ants. And my crazy Aunt Becky.